For today's video, we are going to be doing some press-on nails. Today's video is in collaboration with Melody SUSIE. I have decided to do this cute little unicorn chrome effect ombre lavender, if you will, set on myself. I want to see how these work. I've never really tried press-ons besides the ones I used to get when I was in high school. They were like $5 kids press-ons. So we're going to be trying these out. And we're going to be prepping on them and everything, seeing how they last. So if you are interested in doing some press-ons on yourself, check out Melody SUSIE and watch the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Alrighty, you guys, so here's the box. These are the little unicorn chrome ombre effect. Beautiful and iridescent, everything in one. So I'm just opening it up. I'm going to take out this little bag. They also include a little alcohol pad, a pusher, and a file, and some little sticky tabs. So the first step you want to do is clip your nails. So step one, we are clipping the nails, and we are just doing this so that we can prep for the application of the press-ons, and we have a cleaner surface. It's up to you to clip them down. It's your choice. You don't have to, but this is just what I like to do. And we're also going to be going on to the next step, which is push back cuticles. This is going to help basically push back all that dead skin. And when you do that, you can buff and cleanse it. That is step 3. And now you have more of a cleaner surface so that your nails are not getting glued on top of dead skin that will basically have your nails lift off, kind of like acrylic. If you don't prep them well, they will pop off as well. So on this part here, we're just sizing the tips and we're making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. Now that you have your tips or your press-ons ready, you can go ahead and apply them, but just make sure you guys size them correctly, sidewall to sidewall, and that they fit, because if you have them too small, that's not going to be good. Okay, so we're adding the first one, which is the thumb, and I am using Cadius glue. You can use whatever glue you have, but I do recommend Cadius glue or any nail glue that you have a good relationship with. They do have glue at the Dollar Tree if you're desperate. It's not that bad. They do have Kiss brand, so if you really need to find a glue closer by for an affordable price, I do recommend that, or your local Walmart or drugstore. Okay, so as you can see, I am applying the glue on my actual natural nail, and we are pushing down. We're taking about 10 to 15 seconds, you guys, to make sure they are on there and secured. Taking this cuticle little pusher and just cleaning around the cuticle area. And for this step, we are just filing the nails. And we're basically shaping them a little bit more on the sharper side, more crispy, because they do not come perfectly shaped, you guys. Obviously, they are manufactured nails, so just go ahead and do it to your liking. Okay, so here we're just buffing the surface, and the reason why I'm buffing the surface here is because I am going to be doing some designs on top of these press-ons, so this is optional, but I just wanted to jazz mine up. You guys know how I am. It would have been too basic for me just to leave them as they were, as beautiful as they look, so totally up to you, but we are adding some diamonds here. Some crystal work, and I'm using Mia's Secret glue. I actually just bought another one, you guys, because this one's getting a little bit too on the thick side and it doesn't work as great for me. But we are adding this white by Young Nails. I believe this one is Speed White, and I'm using my Pana 3D brush. They do have 2 sizes, so I really don't remember what size this is, but it came out really good. I actually don't know what happened. I had 2 of them and I lost one of them, so I don't know. I really don't know what I did. I don't know if I gave it away, I sold it, something, I don't know. But anyway, we're doing these 3D flowers with this brush, and I like to just grab a bead, place it down, and start spreading the sides and the end to kind of form that fake petal. This, if you guys are having trouble with 3D art, honestly, it gets easier little by little. You really have to play with consistency of the powder and the liquid. Make sure it's not too on the wet side, or it'll take forever for you to be able to mold it. So just make sure you're taking your time and letting it set before you move it around a little bit, but you will get used to it if you haven't really practiced it. But I've seen people learn really quickly, even if I show them one time. Some people are more like visual learners, and just by watching me they can learn doing this. I honestly more of a visual person, and I think I just learned online or something watching people do it and just practicing at home. But I did want to do 3D because I feel like they really make your cheap set of nails look very luxurious. Once again, you don't have to do this part if you don't have the time or patience or products. But I love them. You could also just apply some little stones if you really want to. I just wanted to show you that you don't have to just apply the tips and, you know, keep them boring and plain. Unless you want to, totally up to you. I personally, when I put on nails one color or something or plain, I don't know, I get tired of it really fast. At first, I'm like, I like it, it's perfect. And then I'm like, nah, I need something. Comment down below if you guys are like that. I do that all the time. Sometimes I just go back to whatever set of nails I did and keep adding stuff because I'm just not content with it. But anywho, you guys, as you can see, adding these little flowers after you apply the little gems, the little stones, will secure your stones because you have something hardened around it, basically securing it. But I just added a bigger petal in the middle and 2 smaller ones on the sides. Okay, you guys, so this is what they look like right now, right before applying the top coat. So that's our next step. We're applying top coat. I am using a D&D non-cleanse top coat I got from my local nail supply, you guys. And this is going to be going into my lamp for 1 minute exactly. It is an LED lamp, and I bought this lamp on Amazon if anybody's curious. I absolutely love it. I don't remember, I think I bought it for like 70 something dollars. So I'm not really sure how much it costs now, but if you guys want to, let me know if you need the link or anything, and I can give it to you because I absolutely love this lamp. And also, I have a video coming up with these little brushes as well. They are from Yestard, and I do like them a lot. Some of them are very good for certain things, which I'll explain in the next video. But look how cute, you guys. I am taking the brush, though, and adding some gel onto the brush to apply onto the press-ons. That way, they are not, the gel top coat is not getting on top of the 3D art because I don't like that look. I like the flat look on the flowers with a combination of adding the shiny top coat because they really stand out a lot better that way. Okay, you guys, so this is what they ended up looking like. What do you guys think? Check out Melody Susie. Their nail tips are super inexpensive. This set was like $10, so I would suggest this for anybody that is trying to save some money or doesn't really wear nails like that unless they want to go to an event or something, which is really cool. So I got you guys a great idea. Hope you guys love the video. Thank you so much. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.